Diagnostic on this air washer. Let me see. Where do they have the model number? Yep, around the back again. All right, let me see what's going on with this washer. Let's take a look and see. It does have clips. Is that a clip machine? You gotta take these screws out the back, I think. So you could take a look in the washer and kind of see. This is the hose for the pressure tube. There's the agitator. One thing you see right off the back is how the suspension rod assembly, one side of the inner basket is lower than the other. Now, I push on this side, it's a bounce. And this side, no bounce at all. And so one of the first things this washer need is suspension rod damper assembly. That's one of the first things that this unit needs. You can see how it kind of just dropped down. It's supposed to be up like that. That drops pretty far down. So new suspension rod assembly for this unit. Alright, that's how you can tell if it's defective. When you push down on it, you're supposed to get kind of a bounce like the shocks on your car. If you go in here and you don't see the inner basket level, or you push down and you're not really getting a bounce. Definitely the issue. Alright, thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.